Hello and welcome to Jerba Campervans. Today we've got something really exciting going on. We've got a T6.1 in and we're going to do a walk around tour and show you all of the features on this new van. So stay tuned and let's see what's new. So, what's new outside the T6.1? Well, the first thing you'll notice is the facelift. It's got a new front bumper, new headlights, and a new double grille. The headlights also feature LEDs now, and they're really bright and they look fantastic. And the new bumper looks great. Now, this van is in a copper bronze colour. There's a whole new range of colours with the T6.1, so make sure you have a little look on the Volkswagen site and see which colour it is that you prefer. So, what's new inside the T6.1? Well, the first thing you'll notice is the new dash. It's had full new dash design, which is a really sleek, modern design, and it looks fantastic. We all really like it here. And in that dash, the next thing you'll notice is the new radio, which features the full glass panel, full touchscreen. Now, if you look at all the small details on the dash, just the finish on some of the trims, the buttons, the new steering wheel, the leather, the stitching, it's all finished really, really well. As you would expect from Volkswagen, they've done a great job once again. So what's new about the radio and why are so many people excited about it? Well, the standout feature is a thing called the integrated SIM card. Volkswagen call it the eSIM. And it comes as standard with all the infotainment systems on the T6.1. Now the eSIM opens up a range of new online-based functions and services to T6.1 customers. An example of this would be, following an accident, eCall will automatically send your vehicle location to an emergency service response centre and establish a voice connection. Now, if the driver doesn't respond, eCall will automatically inform the emergency services and someone will come out and make sure you're okay, basically. The dash also features loads of nice little cubby holes. There's some on the top here, some at the sides. There's a few tucked in that you can't see. Down here in the new drinks holder, we've got the new USB connections. I think they're called the USB-C, which is a smaller connection, smaller and faster for your charging. There's also new trim on the seats available. I think this one's called Bricks. It's really nice. Again, it goes really well with the new van. And all the interior lights have been upgraded to LEDs, so they're really bright, really efficient, nice little lights. Now, the T6.1 also has a lot of driver assist features. Things like adaptive cruise control and steering assist. Now, there's quite a lot of details here, so we'll go into detail on that kind of stuff in another video. For today, I'm just going to walk around and show you the basic features and what's new on the new T6.1. The engine in the T6.1 is a reworked 110 brake horsepower engine as standard. The old T6 as standard was a 102 brake horsepower, so it gives you that extra little boost, which is fantastic for campervans. In the back of the T6.1, things are really as you would expect. It's a really great base for campervan conversion. Some things have been changed. Additional extras like the sliding windows in the back are a new design and they're a lot more efficient and a lot more user-friendly. They clip in nicely. Other things like the roof lights are now LEDs, which give off a really nice light. They're really efficient and they're preferable. There are lots of new options and features with the T6.1, and if you've not already seen it, it's worth checking out the Volkswagen van configurator. I'll link to it below. You can basically go on and see the colours that are available in the new T6.1 and also see what features and upgrades there are, different alloy wheels, all that kind of stuff can all be found there. It's a great resource, so make sure you check it out. This has been a quick overview of the T6.1. We've just got our first one in today, so we wanted to really just take you through and give you a first look, let you know what we thought of all the features. We do intend to do loads more videos and really take a deep dive into some of these features in the van itself, and we'll showcase some campervan conversions as and when we build them and show you what's been happening along the way. So yeah, stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you turn your notifications on. Thank you very much. I'm Steve and this is Jerba Campervans.